Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to make a game pass in PLS Donate on mobile. Open the browser on your phone, then go to roblox.com website, then log in into your account. Then go to Create tab from the top right, then go to Experiences and tap on it. Then click on top left three bars. Then go to Monetization, then select Passes. Then click on Create a Pass. Then upload an logo for your Game Pass. Then type any name you want. Then add the description and click on Create Pass. Now click on the Created Game Pass. Click on top left three bars. Then click on Sale. Then toggle on for Item for Sale. Then set the price for it. Then click on Save Changes. Then go to Menu. Then go to Please Donate. Then go to Unclaimed Booth. Then press and hold on the circle. By following these steps, you can make a Game Pass in PLS Donate on mobile.
If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.